Morning everyone, welcome to my video. Okay, we are going to, my friends and I, the beshies of San Central School, are now heading to the farm of K. Dominic Adoptante. Okay, our very own, she's super rich. So going there is it's my first time. I think most of us, it's our first time to be here finally. Of course, except for Rachel Ann, our very good beshi. She's spending with her, husband. That's why she's not here. Okay, there, the other beshies, and at their back is actually the owner, Sir Neil Adoptante. Okay, may dala siyang mga food for our lunch later. Okay. So it's Jessica. Ito yung farm, napaka-refreshing talaga. So we are happy to be here finally. So later on we'll see what will happen, okay?